Alpha procedures active. Clearance confirmed. Open the gate.
On all 4 points. Take the test tension.
Copy that. Applying tension.
Hoist slow and steady. Ensure clearance on the port side. Okay, all clear. Trolley right to the inspection zone. Lot number 45B. Aerospace grade, high modulus. Verified against manifest.
Aligning rod in channel 3.
Seated. Applying torque. Confirmed at 50 Newton meters.
Mark complete. Moving to the next fastener.
controlled descent, mark the seal compression.
Steady, steady. Contact.
Green indicators across the board, seating confirmed.
Assembly completion confirmed. Step 3, verification successful.
Okay, the rotation is starting. Check the surface condition on the side panel.
It looks completely smooth, no imperfections visible at this speed.
Initiating scan sequence 4. Surface integrity confirmed. Raking light adjustment complete. Fastener seating verified within tolerance.
We have an anomaly at the intercept window.
Adjusting parameters now.
Confirmed. Trajectory is stable. We have a green light for intercept.
The convergence point has shifted north by 3 degrees. All stations, verify the new data stream immediately.
All gauges connected and reading nominal.
Activating the hydraulics for preload. Contact confirmed.
Baseline recorded.
We can confirm all channels are within tolerance. The structural test is officially passed.
Excellent. I'll proceed with the sign-off.
Thermocouple leads attached at T4 and T5.
All tests are complete. The Hypersonic Interceptor is certified for the deployment phase.
Zone 4 clear.
Affirmative. Zone 5 nominal.
Tail stabilizers locked and secure.
Interceptor unit cleared for immediate transport.
You heard the PA. Let's initiate the loading sequence.
Maintain current trajectory. Reducing speed now. Power down to idle. And locked.
Corridor clear. Moving to Sector Gamma.
Blast door cycling now.
Confirmed. All green. Proceed.
Docking confirmed. Maintain current trajectory. Slow and steady now, coming into the cradle. Hold position.
Mid-body restraints engaged and tensioned.
Confirmed on tablet. Proceed to aft section.
Aft section secured. Ready for final verification.
Escort, check.
Transport 1, check.
Rear security, check.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage reading process from GEF conceptualization to VO3 generation. Human creativity leaves every step. This channel is dedicated to original aircraftsmanship and follows R2026 due to monetization rules.